Welcome to Crypto Atlas, and in today's video, we're going to give you an update on Operation Phoenix. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. Taking a look at PancakeSwap on the daily, we can see that we have a red candle formed as of yesterday. The new daily formation, not much has really gone on. The price is essentially flatlined. It's just under 5 cents. And so I want to point out to you guys that we did have a volume increase in comparison to previous days. So more people participating in over on the PancakeSwap side, and we can see that there were 3 days of green candles. That last candle was really bullish back on April 8th. It ran up and actually had one point gone just slightly above. You can see the wick barely there on the Fibonacci extension. Well, in this case, Fibonacci retracement level, that's sitting at 0.053 cents. And so since then, we've seen a little bit of a pullback, now just barely under that 5 cent level. It does not require much capital to come into this to help push that above 5 cents once again. So this thing is still looking very prime. Also, in the last 24 hours, it's down 5.44% compared to the previous day. Volume-wise, $75,000, $35,000 on the buy side, $40,000 on the sell side, so about $5,000 more on the sell side. Overall, things have been moving really nicely for this project on the price chart. We move over here, update on the holder count. We're looking at 1,459. Would love to see this break 1,500. We're still really close on that. Also, over on the Twitter account, they're above 2,000 followers there, 2,034 followers. Also holding up pretty well. Waiting for some bigger news. And then don't forget, guys, the launch of that first token, Power to the People, over on the Infinity Swap, which is Operation Phoenix's own DEX, their own swap. That's coming up on April 15th. That is right around the corner. And a lot of people are getting really excited about that. I'm still working, just to give you guys an update on my list. I've got like 400 Binance Smart Chain tokens that I made up a list of that I want to reach out to. I want to see if they might be interested in joining over, adding their liquidity to an additional decentralized exchange, aka the Infinity Swap, which could potentially bring in some more users. But I can't do this on my own. If you guys want to participate in trying to get those people over, don't forget that if you're the one that's responsible for that, you're going to get 10% of the trading volume on those trading fees for the Infinity Swap for life because of your referral over to the team and getting that listed. So they got an amazing referral program with that set up. A lot of people burning tokens for the burn staking, which they also get percentage cut of these trading fees. A lot of people are staking in general. Really, it just needs to get, in my opinion, needs to get more tokens listed on the Infinity Swap, needs to get marketing ramped up, and more discussions being had. So something else, take a look at this, guys. BNB, it's up 1.31% in the last 24 hours. It's sitting at $587.51. BNB has been testing the waters above $600 numerous times now. And the all-time high, right about $700. So in my personal opinion, not financial advice, the fact that BNB keeps going back to the $600 mark, not like it was once, hey, a fake out, just kidding, and then all the money is going to go to all these other chains or one of these other chains, Solana or Base or something like that, right? Ethereum even. People keep buying back up BNB and it keeps retesting above the $600 level. To me, what that suggests is that this trend is showing that there's still a lot of interest in this. And the fact that it's happened numerous times, in my opinion, I think that there's a very realistic chance that this will have a run going back up to the all-time high of $700, and it very well could end up smashing that. If it smashes that, I'd be looking at not just $800, $900, but of course $1,000. If it breaks $1,000, could this thing go to $2,000? Could it go to $3,000? Right? Like, that's going to run through a lot of people's minds. BNB climbs. What do you think that does for projects on the Binance Smart Chain that use BNB as liquidity pairings. It helps the price go up. So, ladies and gentlemen, the activity that we're seeing over here with Operation Phoenix, seeing the dollar value, $75,000. Okay. Seeing some pullback here on the recent day. Okay. I see 3 days of really strong movement and the possibility that BNB is on the cusp, on the verge, essentially imminent of making its own really strong rally. And if it decides to pop, a lot of people are going to be looking at the Binance Smart Chain saying what kinds of tokens are over here. What's the play, right? And that liquidity pairing is going to be really good too. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. You can check out MargeX. I do have a referral link down in the description below. You can learn more about that. I also have, through that referral link, you can get up to $10,000 in bonuses. You can buy crypto straight up on the platform. They have copy trading if you want to mirror your trades off of what other people are doing. You could stake over on the platform on top of that. And they have leverage trading from 5x all the way to 100x leverage, which is phenomenal because a lot of exchanges don't offer that. It's available in a lot of different regions. If it's not available in your region, there are some people that use VPNs. That's totally up to you if you decide you want to do that. And also you can check out HG Access. If you want to learn a little bit more about what's going on with this trading group, you can pause the video here. You can also go check them out over on Patreon. It's an exclusive trading group right now, about 2,151 members. You can find that referral link in the description below. Thank you so much to my personal Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to Victor Vegas, Worlds of Risk for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.